Alright, what's up guys, and welcome back to another photo editing video. If you didn't watch the previous video, you can see it from the eye in the top and here. Today we are going to edit a photo from this to this. If it's the first time you've seen it on YouTube, I hope you support me by doing like if you like the video and subscribe to my channel and click on ring bell to receive all notification I upload a new video. Give me the intro. Alright, this is the photo that we are going to put our magic in it. Okay, let's get started. The two apps that we are going to use is PixArt and Lightroom. Let's click on it and then choose the photo. Alright, in this app we are going to put extra things on the original photo. The first edit I'm going to do is to make the hair more taller. Let's see how. We go to the tools to stretch like that and then zoom in, click here and adjust the power and the size like that, and click here and do like that. As you can see, if you want to make it like faster, you can increase the power like that. Someone here like that, and do more muscles, like an extra muscles, something like that, but don't stretch the muscles a lot because it will be obvious fake. Alright, like that. I think that is enough. Press OK. Okay, we are done from this app. I'm going to save this image like that, close, and let's put our magic in the second app, which is Lightroom. Let's go. Click on Adobe Lightroom like that and press on here to add an image and choose the photo that you want and press add. Wait to upload the photo in the app. Alright, here we are on the main page of the app. There is a lot of things that we are going to do, so let's get right into it. For the first thing, I'm going to click at light to adjust the light and exposure and contrast and like that stuff. Okay, you can just increase the exposure and the contrast like that. As you can see, the photo is getting better and better every time I edit it. Okay, for the highlight, I'm going to reduce it like that, as you can see on the skin. And for the shadow, I'm going just to increase it a little bit like that. And the white, I'm going to reduce it, and the blacks like that. Look at that, it's incredible. After we edit all of these, I'm going to change the color to make it more better. Let's see how. We click on color, on mix, and we choose the color that we want to change like that. We click on the red, as you can see on the shirt of the men, in the hue, and more saturation, as you can see like that, and this for the highlight of the shirt like that, as you can see. I think that is enough. And for the yellow, I'm going to make it like that. As you can see, it's getting more beautiful like that. Alright, I think that's enough, and the photo already looking so freaking cool. And this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. If you like the video, just hit the like and subscribe to my channel. I will do a lot of videos about how to edit your photo on your mobile phone, and then I'm going to make another video on how to edit your photo on the PC. And see you in another video. Goodbye. Things going my